Hi, Paul Santisi here. Millions of people want to use the law of attraction to their advantage. Millions have read books like The Secret and Think and Grow Rich. Millions of people listen to top leaders in the field, such as myself, Esther Hicks, Oprah, Bob Proctor, and the late Louise Hay, who are all fantastic and spot-on teachers, in my opinion, as well as there is a very few select others. The law of attraction has really become a phenomena over the last decade. Now, the big question to ask yourself is, if the law of attraction is so glorious and really works, why do over 97% of people fail at applying it? Pay attention. The answer is, there is multiple elements to the law of attraction that no one ever talks about. The law of attraction is a collective of universal laws and emotions that must be unified in order to deliver speedy, fast results. And this is why over 97% of people fail. Folks, it's time we change that. With that said, as being one of the most listened to authors in the world in the areas of personal development, self-empowerment, guided meditations, and spiritual awareness, my personal track record of positively impacting millions of people's lives, it's rock solid. I want you to get excited as I want to give you something for free. I have recorded one of the biggest, easiest to apply libraries on the planet when it comes to the law of attraction that will give you complete full circle knowledge on how and why the law of attraction really works. I reveal all the elements in order that will not only speed up your results, it's a huge time-saving shortcut that will save you years of struggle and confusion so you can focus on what matters to you in your life, real life results. For a limited time, I want to give you free, unrestricted access to this powerful library of high-level knowledge that has the power to instantly change your life for the better. Just visit www.paulsantisiuniversity.com to learn all about it, to learn about the amazing free benefits that I want to give you. That's paulsantisiuniversity.com, paulsantisiuniversity.com. Trust me, you will like what I want to give you for free. Bye-bye.